Hales Castle, 1.5 I think it says. We're on our way. Oh, bright sunshine. Lovely. Look at that. Look at that. Like half a boat or something. It's a lovely wee thing. Great. East Linton, you can see North Berwick Law in the distance there. There's the River Tyne down there, and there's a deer. There it is. Oh dear. I'm sure there is a path alongside, there is. But finding the start of it, I don't know. Once again, I've taken the wrong path. I should be on the riverside path. I'm on a road. It is the road to Hales Castle, but it's not the track. Beside the river. Why? A wee bench. There's TrackTribe Law. Although the ground's frosty here, I can't see any white on the top there. Underneath the arches, I dream my dreams away. Got an audience. I think that's the biggest audience this channel's had so far. Cyclepath, Route 76, from Berwick upon Tweed to Kirkcaldy. A road, I would imagine you can get to TrackTribe Law from there. Can't see it for the sun, but a track. Stuff. I'm not brave enough for that. Well, you never know. I don't know if I'm brave enough to wade through this big dub. Oh dear. Right, okay, let's let this out. Look at the field, flooded, man. Oh, that's very soft. This is ice, pure black ice. There we go. All part of the fun, apparently. I've only broken my arm once. Guess what? It's walking down, sliding down ice. When I was about 12 at school. Went home in tears, and my dad says, "Ah, it's just a sprain." So it was the next day my mother seen it. She went mental. That bairn should have been taken to hospital. So I got took to hospital. Got a stookie on my arm. There we go. Hales Castle, I don't know if you can see that for the sun shining on it. Welcome to Hales Castle, open all year. Admission is free. That gate will not close properly. Welcome to Hales Castle. (1240) stone castle built by the Gourleys. 1401 attacked twice by Henry Hotspur Percy. 1548 recaptured from its English occupiers and stripped of its famous iron yett, or gate. A yett's a gate. 1567 Mary Queen of Scots says before her marriage to Lord Bothwell. I think she stayed at every place in Scotland. 1650, severely damaged by Oliver Cromwell's troops during his invasion of Scotland. Swine. 1700, bought by the Dalrymples, who later moved to a new home and called it New Hales. That's at Musselburgh. Bra anyway. This path is frost free. Fantastic. I think that's a hobbit hole. Couple of steps down. The babbling brook, a babbling Donald.